Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine having the power to create stunning, professional-grade prints on a wide range of fabrics, from the comfort of your own home or office. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with the DXZ 2026 upgraded A4 DTF printer, that's exactly what you get. This revolutionary device is packed with innovative features that are set to take your printing experience to the next level. So, let's dive in and explore what makes this printer so special. First off, let's talk about optimized productivity. The DXZ 2026 boasts a built-in cutter, which not only saves film, but also ensures effortless operation, streamlining your printing process for maximum efficiency. This is a game-changer for anyone who's ever struggled with tedious and time-consuming printing tasks. The upgraded roller feeder is another standout feature, reducing film feeding issues and minimizing jamming, ensuring a smoother, more reliable printing process. This means you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing prints, without the hassle and frustration that often comes with traditional printing methods. Another key feature that sets the DXZ 2026 apart is its upgraded white ink mixing system. This semi-automatic cleaning system is a lifesaver, saying goodbye to clogs and ensuring smooth white ink flow for vibrant prints on both light and dark fabrics. No more worrying about ink clogging up or uneven prints. This printer has got you covered. The white ink mixing system is a major advantage, especially for those who work with a variety of fabrics and materials. Whether you're a crafty DIY enthusiast or a professional designer, this feature is sure to impress. Now let's talk about speed. The DXZ 2026 comes with an XP600 6-color printhead, which offers twice the printing speed of L1800 and L805 printheads. This means you can produce high-quality prints at an incredible rate, making it perfect for large-scale printing projects or on-demand printing. The super high resolution of 2800x1400 dpi is also noteworthy, producing vibrant colors, crisp details, and excellent saturation. Whether you're printing on t-shirts, crafts, bags, hats, jackets, or any other fabric, this printer delivers exceptional results with a 100% transfer rate. The flexibility of the DXZ 2026 is also worth mentioning. This printer supports rolls or sheets up to 8.27-inch wide, making it efficient for both large-scale and on-demand printing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this printer is designed to meet your needs. The ability to switch between rolls and sheets gives you the freedom to work on a wide range of projects, from small crafts to large-scale designs. This versatility, combined with the printer's ease of use, makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. In addition to its impressive features, the DXZ 2026 also comes with a complimentary software upgrade, ensuring you have access to the latest technology and security updates. This means you can say goodbye to virus concerns during installation and enjoy unparalleled security, making it the top choice for enterprise buyers. The manufacturer's commitment to providing regular updates and support is a testament to their dedication to customer satisfaction and the quality of their product. In conclusion, the DXZ 2026 upgraded A4 DTF printer is an absolute powerhouse of a machine. With its optimized productivity, upgraded white ink mixing system, remarkable printing speed, and flexibility, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to elevate their printing experience. Whether you're a hobbyist, a small business owner, or a large enterprise, this printer has the potential to revolutionize the way you work. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the DXZ 2026 upgraded A4 DTF printer and start creating stunning prints like a pro. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your printing to new heights. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life.